The 2026 Ford F-150 is one of the most advanced pickup trucks ever built. It blends power, technology, efficiency, and versatility in ways that continue to set the benchmark in the truck world. But something unexpected is happening across the F-150 community, and it's causing serious tension between owners and dealerships. A growing number of 2026 F-150 owners are modifying their trucks in a very specific way. This isn't just about bigger tires or aftermarket exhausts. This trend goes deeper, affecting performance systems, software, and even emissions-related components. And while owners see it as a way to unlock the truck's full potential, Ford dealers are pushing back hard. So what exactly is this modification trend? Why are owners doing it? And why are dealers so frustrated? Let's break it down. The mod everyone is talking about. The biggest trend among 2026 F-150 owners is ECU tuning and system bypass modifications, especially on EcoBoost and hybrid models. ECU, engine control unit tuning, involves reprogramming the truck's computer to change how the engine behaves. This can include increasing horsepower and torque, adjusting throttle response, removing speed limiters, disabling certain emissions restrictions, optimizing fuel delivery. For hybrid models, some owners are also modifying how the electric motor and battery interact with the gasoline engine. In some cases, they are even forcing the system to prioritize performance over efficiency. This isn't new in the car world, but what's different is how widespread and aggressive it has become with the 2026 F-150. Why owners are doing it. From the owner's perspective, the motivation is simple. They want more performance, more control, and fewer restrictions. 1. Unlocking hidden power. Many drivers believe that Ford intentionally limits engine output from the factory. Modern engines, especially turbocharged ones, are capable of much more than their stock settings. Experts in automotive tuning confirm this. Factory tuning is often conservative to meet global emission standards, fuel economy targets, and long-term reliability goals. But that leaves room for enthusiasts to push beyond those limits. For example, a tuned EcoBoost engine can gain significant horsepower, torque delivery can become more aggressive, acceleration improves noticeably. To many owners, this feels like getting a new truck without buying one. Number 2, frustration with restrictions. Modern trucks come with more electronic controls than ever before. While these systems improve safety and efficiency, they can also feel limiting. Owners frequently complain about throttle lag, auto start-stop systems, speed governors, transmission behavior tuned for fuel economy. By modifying the ECU, drivers can remove or reduce these restrictions, making the truck feel more responsive and powerful. Number 3, custom driving experience. Another key reason is personalization. Truck owners have always modified their vehicles, but now it's not just about looks. It's about how the truck drives. With ECU tuning and system mods, owners can tailor their F-150 to tow more aggressively, perform better off-road, deliver sportier on-road performance. This level of customization is incredibly appealing, especially for enthusiasts. 4. Online communities, driving the trend. Social media and online forums have accelerated this movement. Owners are sharing before and after performance results, tuning guides, recommended software tools, real-world experiences. This has created a ripple effect. Once a few owners demonstrate gains, others quickly follow. Why Ford dealers are furious. While owners are excited, Ford dealers see things very differently, and their frustration is growing fast. 1. Warranty headaches. The biggest issue is warranty claims. When a truck is modified, especially at the ECU level, it can void parts of the warranty. But detecting and proving modifications isn't always straightforward. Dealers are dealing with engine failures on tuned trucks, transmission issues linked to increased torque, electrical system errors after software changes. From the dealer's perspective, they are stuck between the customer and the manufacturer. Experts in dealership operations explain that warranty disputes are becoming more common, especially with heavily modified trucks. 2. Increased repair complexity. Modern trucks are already complex. Adding aftermarket tuning makes diagnostics even harder. Technicians report inconsistent software behavior, conflicts between factory and aftermarket settings, difficulty identifying root causes of issues. This increases repair time and costs, which frustrates both dealers and customers. 3. Compliance and legal risks. Another major concern is emissions compliance. Many ECU modifications alter emissions-related systems. This can make the vehicle non-compliant with regulations. Dealers are worried about legal liability, failed inspections, regulatory penalties. Even if the owner is responsible, the dealership can still face complications when servicing modified vehicles. 4. Damage to brand reputation. From Ford's perspective, reliability is a key selling point. When modified trucks experience problems, it can hurt the brand, even if the issue is caused by aftermarket changes. Dealers often hear complaints like, "My engine failed early," "The transmission is unreliable," but in many cases the truck was heavily modified. This creates a perception problem that dealers find difficult to manage. The battle between control and freedom. At its core, this situation is about control. Owners want freedom to modify their trucks. Manufacturers want control to ensure reliability and compliance. This tension isn't new, but it's becoming more intense with modern vehicles. Experts point out that today's vehicles are more software-driven than ever before. That means modifications are no longer just mechanical, they're digital. And digital changes can have far-reaching consequences. Hybrid models add another layer. The 2026 F-150 hybrid models are also part of this trend, but they introduce even more complexity. Some owners are modifying battery usage patterns, electric motor assistance, charging behavior. While this can improve performance, it also increases risks. Hybrid systems are tightly integrated, and small changes can lead to reduced battery life, system errors, safety concerns. Experts warn that hybrid modifications are much less forgiving than traditional engine tuning. Ford's response. Ford is not ignoring this trend. The company has started taking steps to address it, including 1. Enhanced software monitoring. Newer systems can detect changes to the ECU and other control modules. This allows Ford to identify modified vehicles, deny certain warranty claims, track patterns of modification. 2. Over-the-air updates. Ford's OTA updates can reset or overwrite certain modifications. This creates an ongoing battle between factory software updates, aftermarket tuning tools. 3. Stricter warranty policies. Dealers are becoming more cautious when approving warranty repairs. In many cases, modified trucks face additional inspections. Claims are scrutinized more closely. The owner perspective, it's my truck. Despite the pushback, many owners stand firm. Their argument is simple. If I paid for the truck, I should be able to modify it. This mindset is deeply rooted in truck culture. For decades, owners have lifted suspensions, installed bigger engines, customized exhaust systems. To them, ECU tuning is just the modern version of that tradition. Expert insight. Where this is headed. Industry experts believe this conflict will continue and possibly intensify. Here's why. 1. Vehicles will become more software-driven. Future trucks will rely even more on software, making modifications both easier and riskier. 2. Manufacturers may lock systems further. To protect reliability and compliance, automakers may restrict access to ECUs, use encryption, limit third-party tuning. 3. Aftermarket industry will evolve. Tuning companies are already developing more advanced tools to bypass restrictions. This creates a constant cycle of manufacturer control, aftermarket innovation. 4. Legal debates will grow. The right to repair and modify movement is gaining momentum. This could shape future laws around vehicle software access, owner rights, manufacturer restrictions, risks owners should consider. While the benefits are appealing, experts caution that these modifications come with real risks. 1. Engine and transmission damage. Increased power can stress components beyond their design limits. 2. Warranty loss. Even minor modifications can affect warranty coverage. 3. Reduced reliability. Long-term durability may suffer, especially with aggressive tuning. 4. Legal issues. Non-compliant modifications can lead to fines or failed inspections. Final thoughts. The 2026 F-150 modification trend highlights a major shift in the automotive world. This isn't just about trucks anymore. It's about software, control, and the evolving relationship between drivers and manufacturers. On one side, you have owners who want to push their trucks to the limit and make them truly their own. On the other, you have dealers and manufacturers trying to maintain reliability, safety, and compliance. Neither side is completely wrong. But as vehicles become more advanced, this conflict is only going to grow. For now, one thing is clear. 2026 F-150 owners are redefining what it means to customize a truck, and Ford dealers are feeling the impact.